Hello friends, welcome to my channel Take a Chance. If you are new on my channel, then click the subscribe button below the video and click on notification bell icon to get the video update of my channel.
So friends, I think you should not be disappointed with this video. Let's see how to change the name of your Facebook page. First, you have to log in to your Facebook ID. After logging in, you will need to click on the arrow next to your Facebook notification option. When you click, you will see your page showing. Click on the page. After clicking, you will see that your page is in front of you, as my page was already open. So for that, it did not take long time for my page to arrive. Then the information on your page means that you have to find out where the about option is. Click on the option. After clicking on the option, you will see that the name of your page is showing. Now to change the name of the page, click on the edit option next to the page name. Then you change your name to the name it is in. I am asking you to change the old name because if Facebook does not find a match with your old name, then you will not be allowed to change the name of the page. I changed the name of my page and clicking continue button. Then clicking on it will show you another dialog box. Which is the confirmation dialog box. You will see the old name of your page and the new name of your page in confirmation box, and then confirm. Click on the request changing button. Then Facebook will show you a message that will be reviewed on the page you requested to change the name of your page. Click on the OK button. Now you have completed the process required to change the name of your page. Then click on your Facebook notification option, and you will see that Facebook is giving you a message. The message is the page you sent the request to change the name of your page. The request has been received, and you will see the message on Facebook when you click on the notification, and when you go back from the notification, you will see that the name of your page has been changed. So that's all. If you enjoyed this video, then click like and share with your friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button next to the subscribe button
to get update video of my channel.